I used to get so afraid when I started to, post on social media, that I would have like these panic attacks the day that I will not wake up on time. And like, because I was like, in order to be on social media, I have to be perfect. I have to wake up on time, that then only I can show up in front of people. I have to like, eat properly, only there I can show in front of the people. I have to be like perfect, and the idea of perfect was like the I don't know, some very high level spiritual guru. That was the perfect for me, waking up on time, eating one meal, or not even eating, just living on breath and something like that. Anyway, and I am so grateful that God broke that bubble of me, and I saw some people over social media, they build like success because they were honest. Like, even if they were waking up at like whatever time, they were not trying to pretend to be perfect. They were just honest about where they are in their journey. And I have learned that everyone has their unique journey, So for example, for me, I lived like in a very traumatic situation, violent situation throughout my childhood. I was surrounded by people who were playing mind games with me. Like, I was living with my auntie. She was like one way with me, and two other people. In front of other people, she was like a different person. And behind the doors, she was differently with me. And to process all these like, things, traumatic things happening around you, people like constantly betraying you, your own family, when you live in that kind of environment for a certain amount of time, it's like very tough. So when I did get my freedom at the age of 17, but I was still living in that mindset. You don't heal just immediately. So even when I got out, I would not have energy. I would not have energy. I would like, for many years I didn't even go out. Anyway, the purpose of sharing this all with you is just be honest, okay? And especially if you're in social media, honesty goes a long way in every area of your life. Even if you're going to the doctor and you're lying about your injury, doctor will not be able to give you the right medicine. So honesty in your relationship, career, business, social media, right people will love you for your honesty, not for our and when we are pretending, we don't go a long way. Okay, I have to wear my lower, and I was like, so, and today, what? Oh my god, I had to tell this. Today I was like, I woke up at 9, and then since then I was just sitting on my sofa till 8:30 in the evening, just scrolling. And right now at evening I took shower. Now